All right, hello and welcome my friends. This is Mark Gray, and today I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube. Now, some people might be like, I know that already, but believe it or not, as a long-time SEOer for 12 years, I've been searching and this always pops up. How do I upload a video to YouTube? Now, I'm just about to do it, so I might as well show you my process. Not just uploading the video, but also how I add in the thumbnail, how I add in the description, where I get the description from, how I add in the tags, where do I get the tags from. So I'm going to show you the whole process, okay? I'll make it as fast as I can. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go up to the top right and we want to click on Upload Video. Now, obviously, I'm hoping that you have your video ready so you can follow along. There's two ways you can do this. You can click Select Files and go to where you have that video ready, or you can drag and drop, which is maybe a bit harder. Now, this is the video. Now, remember to notice what this video is called, all right? This is the description of the video. How to make a playlist on YouTube for insane rankings, optimizing your playlist for maximum views, all right? So when I upload this video, that's going to be the title, okay? And it's very important you do this. If I was to upload this video, TNPL, I'm off to a terrible start right away, unless people are searching for TNPL, okay? So I'm going to drag this video over and find the right place and just drop it. And you will see right away, there we go. We have the title. Now, you're only allowed 97 out of 100 characters, which is a bit of a bummer, okay? I would like to have here an emoji, like here on my Word document, which is ready to go. I do have a fire emoji. I'm going to just go and quickly add that somewhere in between here. How to make a playlist on YouTube for insane rankings, and then add it in here. Okay. Now I can even maybe add something else at the end, like fire again. Now you can always go in and change this, play around with it. And I'm using vidIQ, which gives you some different, ideas of what you can make, what you can change it to. I quite like my description. I think how-to videos are always going to be watched because people always want to know, how do I do something? That's what I type into Google or YouTube when I'm searching. How do I do this? How to fix my car? You understand, you get my point. Now, the next thing we need is a super duper description. And for that, we use ChatGPT. So you'll notice that I've written the prompt. I just made a video called How to Make a Playlist on YouTube for Insane Rankings, which is about creating a playlist and also optimizing it for more rankings and also for optimizing your current playlists. Can you please add in those keywords and add in these keywords? Now, always be polite. Manners get you everywhere, even if you're speaking to ChatGPT. I live with 3 women, so I know what getting ordered around is like. Not nice. Anyway, where did I get these keywords from? I did keyword research, and that is a whole other video. Now, my keywords are already ready to go. They are right here. And you can see how to make a playlist on YouTube. How do you make a playlist on YouTube? YouTube playlist, create a playlist on YouTube, etc., etc. Now, the way that I do this is I always, when I put remember, a keyword is a singular word. These are actually called LSIs, but it's just a long-tailed keyword, okay? A sentence can be basically a keyword, okay? And what I do is I put them onto a notepad and then I put a comma at the end, okay? Because now I can use these as the tags to my video as well as knowing that people are searching for these exact things on YouTube, okay, because I did the keyword research. Now, when I go back to ChatGPT, all I did was I copy and pasted those keywords in, and I got the description. And I'm not going to go over it, but you can see here in bold, it says how to create a playlist on YouTube channel. So it's fitted those exact keywords into the description. So the description should look damn good. And this is my description. I always like to put it on a Word document just so that I can try to space it out a little bit and read over it and make sure that, yeah, this makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this. Go back to the video, and this text and affiliate disclaimer below, you can add this so that it comes up on every video, and I can show you how to do that in another video. But for now, this is just how to upload a video, and how to upload a video, you know, with good SEO and good keywords. So now I'm going to copy and paste that description in. Okay, it's come up, you know, all jumbled together, which happens more than you can imagine. And also, I made a mistake. I did actually put the description in there, which should not be there. So I'm just going to tidy this up, guys, and then you'll see what it's like after. So now when we look at it, it looks very presentable. It looks easy to read. It flows very nicely. And this is for two reasons, okay? It's so that YouTube could pick up if we just bulked it in there and it was all, you know, one big huge paragraph like this. YouTube wouldn't really care. Maybe they would, I'm not sure about that, but they would get the idea of what this video is about. But also we're thinking of the human part of this, okay? People are going to maybe come to your video, not watch it, but read the description first to see, is this even worth watching? And a good description can sometimes sell the video. So people are going to read this and they're going to be like, okay, this guy seems to know what he's talking about. And then, boom, people are going to watch your video. Okay, now I'm going to do this by scrolling down because there are always new things being added in. Now, the thumbnail, that's the next thing that you want to do. Again, we want to name the thumbnail the same as the video title, okay? So we wouldn't name it like thumbnail 1, for example, or thumbnail 5. We name it the same as the focus keyword. Or the focus keyword is a website SEO term, but it applies here, the name of the video, okay? So you can either drag and drop or you can click here and upload the file. I'm going to go and try and find it very quickly. So here we go, should know where everything is. It's always good to keep things tidy. And boom, there's the playlist, okay? How to make a playlist on YouTube for insane rankings, okay? Slightly different, but we get the idea, I think. All right, now that's uploading. You can see already on the side, looking pretty badass. Scroll down. Now, what is this about? This is about YouTube and video tips, okay? That's the playlist that is going to go into. Funnily enough, this video is about playlists. So yes, it's going into the right playlist. Okay, now here you can say, yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not. I always just go with, no, it's not really for kids, because sometimes I might say shit, or I might say bullshit, or I might, you know, accidentally drop an F-bomb if I'm, you know, really into something. Now this bit here is important because I forgot about this. No, sorry, I accidentally clicked yes on an upload and it completely changed everything. You want to go no, unless you are using AI. Now, if you're creating a video with AI, okay, and you're doing your own voiceover or using even an AI voiceover, that's fine. What this is about is if you are making a video pretending that you're Joe Rogan, okay, or Mike Tyson or whoever, and you are using AI to create that person as though that person is talking and saying something, which is borderline illegal, or should be, in my opinion. So you want to be careful with that. Scroll down. These are all fine. You can leave these. Now the tags, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to just go here for now. And remember, comma after every single one. So I just need to copy, and I need to go back, and I need to paste them. Kaboom, they're done. Now I might come back later and, have a look and see if there's something else that I could add in there. Maybe, do a bit more keyword research. But for now, for this video, it's fine. Scroll down, check everything else. Now this you can set as standard. Some people recommend doing this, okay? Making it Creative Commons, because the idea behind Creative Commons is people can use your content, okay? They can not use your whole video, but they can take bits of your video. So if you say something interesting or informative or cool, they can take that, 60 seconds, I think it is, and they can make a short from it. Yeah, I'm not having that. I'm fine with, just building my own branding. Allow video and audio remixing. Okay, I guess so, that's all right. Education, that's a category. I leave this blank. This is important, okay? I know that if you're not in, the United States or United Kingdom, you're probably going to be tempted to go, oh, okay, I'm going to put in here United States. Do not do that. It will mess with your videos a lot. All right, it will mess a lot with, just trust me, don't do it. The next thing we're going to do is click. So the next thing we want to do, of course, is go next. Now, if you're monetized, this option will be there. If you're not monetized, then it's not going to be there. If you're watching this video on how to upload a video, probably you're not monetized, but who knows? Click done, and that's showing that our ads are going to be there. Next step, okay, this is adding this is talking more about, so this is talking about inappropriate language, adult content, etc., etc., etc. Now, I don't deal with none of the above, okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to submit my rating and put this in. Now I'm going to go next from here. So that's just below me. Now we can add in something called cards and an end screen. Okay. And then that's us basically done. So the card would be a video that maybe you have mentioned in the actual video. So, for example, I did mention keyword research, so maybe I should put that video in. When you're watching a video and it comes up when you're watching the video, it comes up like a little black tag. That's what this is, okay? So I might even make a whole video on this to explain it, but I'm going to put in here detailed keyword research, and I'm going to keep it at that, yeah. Or I could just put in keyword research tutorial. That's even more to the point. And I'm going to put it under teaser text. Okay. So that's this is what it's going to say here. All right. Now I want to remember to move both of these things. Now I can put it maybe here because I don't remember where I mentioned about, I talk about keyword research a lot. So it's good enough. I'm going to click save. Now I'm going to go and add an end screen. End screens are pretty cool because they remind people to subscribe. They, can keep people on your channel for longer. You could even add there are different, let me go back. There are different kinds of end screens, okay? You can go all the way from having multiple playlists. So this one is one video, playlist, subscribe. This is one video, one playlist. This is playlist, subscribe. This is two videos. I always just tend to go with one video and subscribe. And if I click this and then click here, I'm going to get to choose what video I want to put in. Okay. Now, this is a video about YouTube playlists, and I tend to drag these up so they're not covering my face. Now, like I said, the end. This is at the very end. It's going to be. So I'm thinking to myself, I have just spoken about playlists. All right, that's a YouTube thing. Now, why don't I put in maybe a product review that I've done about a good YouTube YouTube product? That would make more sense than putting in something to do with how to build a website, though people might still be interested. I've tried lots of different things. The idea is for people to click and keep watching. So I'm going to choose a specific video, and I would like something to do with let me just put in review, because then I'll probably find one that I'm looking for. So I do a lot of reviews, but I'm looking for something with YouTube. So YouTube empire building. There is another. There we go. YouTube AI empire building. I think that there's one that's even better. Okay, I really like this product, so I'm going to put that in there. Now okay, that was a bit silly. I'll go back. Okay, this was the one that I wanted, so I'm just going to click it. All right, now that's it, and this is going to be my end screen. So at the end of the video, few seconds or maybe a minute or so before, this is going to pop up, and I'm sure you've seen this before, I'm sure. And then I'm going to click save. Now there's maybe one last thing that I can do. My SEO score here is a little bit low. Usually I get it up to 47, 48, 49, but there could be something maybe that I need to add more tags, and I can go back and do that. Okay. Now subtitles, obviously they're great to have, but YouTube does them automatically anyway. But I'm going to just do auto sync. And then what I do is I move this all the way along, and then I go up and I click done. And that's it. That is the video uploaded. The last thing to do is to click next. And then it's telling us that our copyright and ad suitability are fine. So they've not found anything, that goes against the ads. I wasn't dropping F-bombs. I wasn't talking about politics or anything like that. So the ad suitability leaves it open to a lot of different types of ads that can be added in. And the last thing I'm going to do is click next. And then one more thing, public, or you can keep it unlisted until you're ready to post it. But I'm going to go with publish. And just like that, it's done. We have uploaded our first video. Now, the next step, of course, there's always more steps after this. When you're working online, building a business, there's always a next step and a next step and a next step and a next step. But I'm going to leave it at this. I just want you to look at those social media icons and think, could we use them? All right. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.